In this video, I will show you how to get read receipts in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. The next thing I want you to do is open a new tab and go to the Chrome extension store. Now here you're going to search for MailTrack and you're going to choose the first one that says Email Tracker by MailTrack. Once you select it, it's going to ask you to install and you're going to add to Chrome. Add extension. It's going to ask you to connect to Google. We're going to sign up for free. And we're going to go to Gmail. Now once we get to Gmail, you see it says MailSuite is now installed. To use MailSuite, just send emails. So you click on OK. And you see the sent folder here. It has two check marks. One check mark for when the message has been sent and the other for when the message has been read. So once you click on it, you go to OK. You see all these mails here. It's going to have two check marks. Now once you send an email with MailTrack active, the first check mark is going to be for MailTrack tracking the email, and the second check mark is going to be for MailTrack tracking to see if the email has been read. And once you click here, it says this email is not tracked. That's because we sent these emails before we installed MailTrack. Now that's how you get read receipts in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.